Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to get mic in Roblox Mobile using a national ID. First, gather your national identification document, as it is crucial for the age verification step. This process confirms you are 13 years old or older, which is a mandatory requirement for voice chat access. Make sure your ID is current and clearly visible. Having this ready will streamline the entire setup, getting you to voice chat much faster and without delays. Once you are logged into your Roblox account, navigate to the Privacy Settings section. Locate the Verify My Age option and begin the process from there. You will be asked to take a clear photo of your valid national ID, capturing both the front and back using your device's camera. Ensure good lighting and a steady hand for the best results. Clear images help avoid rejections, and the system often processes this information within just a few minutes. With your age now successfully verified, head back into your Roblox account's privacy settings. You should now see a new option labeled Voice Chat or Enable Mic Input. Simply tap on this toggle to switch it to the on position, officially activating the feature for your account. Remember to save any changes you make, ensuring your settings are updated correctly before leaving this section. Now that voice chat is enabled, join any Roblox experience that supports this feature, typically identified in the game's description. You will notice a small microphone icon appearing above your avatar in these games. Tapping this icon allows you to easily mute or unmute your voice, giving you control over when you are heard. Remember to always use voice chat respectfully, ensuring a positive experience for everyone playing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.